Okay, final example today, least common multiple of 4x squared m and 6x cubed m. So, starting off with 4x squared m, what would 4 be in prime power form, Parker?
2 and 2.
So 2 to the second power, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and then x to the second power, m to the first power. Righty, what would 6x cubed m be in prime power form?
2x cubed. Or 2 times 3 x cubed m.
Okay, first, right?
Yep.
Alright, so 2 times 3 times x cubed times m, and the 2, 3, and m are all to the first power. So job 1 done. LCM equals, let's go with Bree. What would I write here for numbers? Don't worry about powers yet, just worry about the numbers.
2, 3, x and m.
Perfect. And Kim, what would the powers I would use for each one be? For 2, what would I use?
2,
3,
1,
x,
3,
m.
1.
Perfect. So 2 we have 2 choices, that's bigger. For 3 we only have 1 choice. X we have 2 choices, that's bigger. And we have 2, but they're the same. So second, first, third, and first. And then the final answer, I'll do that since there's nobody else here to ask. 4 times 3 is 12, x cubed m. Okay. The end result of these problems, the purpose of these problems is to find least common denominators. What we're going to be doing in the near future is we're going to be adding algebraic fractions. Denominators will look like that. We'll get a common denominator that looks like this. We'll have to modify the numerators and add together what we can algebraically. That's where we're getting to very shortly. Just know that's where we're going with this. So if the problem was 5 over 4x squared m plus 7 over 6x cubed m, we want both denominators to become 12x cubed m, then we'd have to modify the numerators to add those together. That's where we're going with this.
So then it would be 12 over 12.
So 12x cubed m and 12x cubed m, right? That has to be multiplied by 3 and x, so 5, it has to be multiplied by 3x. That has to be multiplied by 2, so 7 times 2. If you modify the denominator, modify the numerator. I'll teach more thoroughly when we come to it. But again, that's where we're going with this. We're going to be adding algebraic fractions very shortly. So practice the skill, get good at it so you can get this easily done. So then when we get to that problem, we can get that easily done.